Please stop snoring in here. It is really annoying. But we have to, or else I will stay up all night and I won't get enough sleep. Yeah, me either. Fine, snore, whatever you want to do. Yay!